If you've ever been to a commercial gym or have had the opportunity to look at an effort, load, repetitions chart like the one seen here, you're probably already familiar with the topic that load progression is typically seen for someone looking to increase muscular size or strength, whereas repetition progression is for someone looking to get toned, lean, or remain the same. See, I'm looking to dive more into that topic. Resistance training is well documented for its positive effects on muscular adaptation, whereas progressive overload is the stimulus required to reach the adaptive zone to obtain these muscular adaptations. So if I were to ask you to take a moment and ponder whether load progression or repetition progression were the most beneficial or effective way to obtain muscular adaptations, which would you say the answer would be? Well, as simplistic or complex the question, even leading professionals in the industry are still unsure of the answer. As a accomplished natural bodybuilder and certified personal trainer through the Canadian Society of Exercise Physiology, I'd like to say that I know the answer, however don't. See, there's tons of information documenting the effects that load progression through an effective periodization plan of progressive overload and the ability for an individual to implement this training to obtain muscular adaptations. However, there's an increasing body of people and increasing demand in the research that the effects of repetition progression be further documented. See, individuals who are affected by metabolic conditions or musculoskeletal rehabilitation through limited ability to manipulate load or use load due to access, the cost, or the storage. Therefore, an increase in the documentation of the effects of repetition progression is going to help countless amounts of individuals. So this is where my study comes in. Implementing a 8-week design of a Solomon's 4-group study, we intend to isolate the effects of muscular strength, muscular endurance, anthropometry, muscular thickness, and cross-sectional size of musculature in order to further document the effects that repetition progression has on muscular adaptation. This study aims to address the current limitations in the body of literature. And with this information and by applying this study, we intend to reduce the amount of limitations around the effects that repetition progression has on muscular adaptation. Thank you.